I was pretty disappointed with the previous mirrors I was running on this car, and although technically a lot of events don't require a side mirror on the door, I kind of felt like it was probably a good idea because it's good to be able to see what's around you at the track. You don't want to end up bumping into someone. So I went and bought myself a small set of relatively cost-effective formula style mirrors from Tweeks. I'll put a link in the description below for both the driver and passenger side. And to make them fit the NB door, or to fit an MX-5 in general, I had to make a small adapter which changes both the bolt pattern but also the angle at which the mirror sits. And so I 3D printed it, designed it in Fusion 360 and 3D printed it here. It's relatively simple in the way it works. It adds about 15-20 degrees of angle to the mirror because otherwise the mirror would sit up at a bit of a funny angle. It actually still sits up at a bit of an angle, but it's much better than it would have been without that sort of adapter. And this also allows it to be bolted into the OEM M6 threaded holes here that a normal factory mirror would bolt to, and then this sits in between. But the good thing is this offers a lot of adjustability. You've got the adjustment in the ball here, you've got the adjustment in the angle of the mirror up the top. So there's a lot of opportunity to sort of move things around and get the mirror exactly where you want it. And compare that to the previous mirror I did have on this car, and like this is a motorbike mirror, I think. They're really not appropriate for a car, but it's a single bolt thread, and it was disappointing. It would never stay in the right spot, it would move around. The ball socket was cheap and rusty, and because it was a single thread, it would kind of rotate, and it just wasn't made for a car fundamentally. Whereas this one is much better and much more adjustability, and like I think it was maybe $30 or $40, not that expensive, and then the adapter, is more or less free, just a few bucks. So I'm pretty happy with how it all turned out, and I've done the same obviously in mirror on the other side. They are left and right handed, so you can't just buy two of the same. You have to actually buy a left and a right hand, although I wouldn't be surprised if just by unbolting some bits here and moving things around you actually swap them over somehow. But nonetheless, yeah, that's my new mirrors for the door. A cheap change, but hopefully it could give me a bit more visibility, and with a car with a roll cage and things, visibility can be hard to come by. So some relatively good mirrors aren't a bad idea, even though it does potentially have a negative effect on aero. The trade-off is worth it for a bit of safety, I suppose you'd say. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.